I'm all for Christmas, all the happy...
Hi guys, welcome to David Christopher's YouTube channel. I'm David, and today we're going to be looking at Wildly Elegant. So you may be noticing a little bit of a theme. You can see we have actually got the walls plastered in monstera leaves and philodendron leaves and things like that, because this is our tropical tree, and it's kind of a different take on tropical. So we have a lot of metallic leaves, lots of metallic tropical leaves, and then we're going to mix in a lot of deep greens with black. So it's a very dramatic, very elegant kind of tree, and we mix just a little bit of animal print into it because it's tropical and we feel like animals go with that. So I hope you enjoy it, and we're going to speed through this one because I am running out of time this year. The first thing we're going to do is I'm going to start layering my faux fur that is black with this gold striping in it, and this beautiful deep kind of an olive green, and of course our animal print. This is kind of a fur animal print, so it's got I think it's kind of a velvet texture to it, and a gold back, of course. So we're going to actually add this in kind of patchwork style.
And I want it all, from the lights to the mistletoe. Tell me one thing, is there anything that you're missing? I will keep you warm as soon as you remove that snow. Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to you.
Now we're going to start adding our great metallic gold leaves and stems into the tree.
Whatever we do, we will be alright. These holiday wonders will open your mind. May all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. Well, I'm all for Christmas. It's a magical time full of kisses. Take a walk outside and tickle the snowman's nose.
Now we're going to start adding these deep, beautiful emerald green colors that we already talked about. We've got metallic pine cones. I've got our faux mercury emerald green balls, and I've got some ornaments that are clear that have the sequins inside of them instead of the outside, in case you're a neat freak and you don't like sequins falling off.
Your mind, may all your wishes tonight come true. The love I lived, the dream I knew. This Christmas I only wanna be close to.
Now that we've gotten some of our deep green ornaments in there, we're going to go in with our bronze, gold, and our black and gold ornaments. So we've got tiger print, we've got some kind of like diamond with matte black and gold underneath, and a little bit of like a bronze colored diamond print. Now a little bit back to some of our browns with our bronze ornament, our bronze leopard print ornament, reindeer, and some magnolia leaves. Now to fill in with some more of our metallic gold, like these beautiful seed stems. So I'm working late tonight by myself, and Jen's not here, but if she was here, I'm sure she would tell you to hit the subscribe button because you like this video. At least we hope you do. And comment below where you can find all the items in the description box, I think. And I know you can find them on davidchristofers.com. We sell wholesale and retail. Also, you can find a store with our store locator that carries our products. They might not carry all of our products, but they do carry some of our products. So you can always put your zip code in and see who's the closest person near you that carries our products. We hope you go out and support them because they need you more than ever this year. With the supply chain issues, we are seeing that more and more of our retailers are getting things late, and we need you to go out and support them because they're competing with Amazon, they're competing with Walmart, they're competing with Target, and they don't have all of the resources that those people have. But it's nice to be able to go in stores that decorate like this rather than stores that decorate like Walmart, where, you know, nobody knows how to shape the tree and nobody knows how to hang an ornament on a tree. It's nice to be able to get some inspiration. So go out and support those people who actually do their Christmas trees right in your local stores and support them so that they can have a good Christmas this year as well as you.